The question that looms large in our minds is, what does the future hold for China? It is a riddle wrapped in an enigma, a tale yet to be told. As we step into the realm of speculation and projection, technology, immigration, politics, and cities become the main characters of this unfolding narrative. Imagine China in the year 2030. Technology has taken center stage, wielding an influence that reverberates across the globe. A relentless spirit of innovation, coupled with heavy investment in cutting-edge domains such as artificial intelligence, quantum computing, and biotechnology, has propelled China to the forefront of the global tech stage. The ripple effects of this technological revolution are far-reaching, reshaping industries and transforming economies. The future of Chinese manufacturing is poised for a significant transformation, driven by technological innovation, global trends, and domestic priorities. Industry 4.0 technologies, such as automation, artificial intelligence, AI, and the Internet of Things, IoT, are revolutionizing production processes, enabling greater efficiency, flexibility, and customization. Chinese manufacturers are increasingly adopting these advanced technologies to stay competitive in the global market and respond to evolving consumer demands. Moreover, China is shifting towards innovation-driven growth, emphasizing research and development, product design, and brand building. By investing in innovation hubs and fostering collaboration between industry and academia, China is nurturing a vibrant ecosystem conducive to creativity and entrepreneurship. This strategic focus on innovation is not only propelling economic growth but also positioning China as a global leader in technological advancements. In addition to technological innovation, China's manufacturing sector is navigating shifting global dynamics, including trade tensions and geopolitical uncertainties. To mitigate risks and seize opportunities, Chinese manufacturers are diversifying their markets, expanding their presence in emerging economies, and promoting greater international cooperation. Initiatives like the Belt and Road Initiative (BRI) and Made in China 2025 are enhancing connectivity and fostering collaboration on a global scale. Despite these advancements, challenges such as rising labor costs and environmental concerns remain. However, China is actively addressing these challenges by promoting sustainable practices, investing in green technologies, and upskilling the workforce. By embracing innovation, sustainability, and global cooperation, China is poised to shape the future of manufacturing and maintain its position as a key player in the global economy. The plot thickens as we turn our gaze to the realm of politics. Ideological, generational, and regional divides are deepening, casting shadows and illuminating the path ahead in equal measure. Policymakers grapple with economic inequality, environmental degradation, and geopolitical tensions, while striving to craft a unified vision for China's future. The political landscape is a chessboard of power dynamics and strategic moves. As we journey through the unfolding narrative of China's future, cities emerge as the dynamic, pulsating heart of the story. Urbanization is moving at a breakneck speed, drawing millions from rural hinterlands to the vibrant energy of megacities. By 2030, China is projected to host numerous urban behemoths, each teeming with over 10 million souls. Yet, this urban explosion brings its own set of challenges: infrastructure, environmental sustainability, and social equity. Navigating this labyrinth of opportunities and challenges, China is poised to carve out its own unique trajectory towards the future. A future where innovation is embraced, inclusivity is fostered, and systemic issues are tackled head-on. A future that holds the promise of China emerging as a global leader in the 21st century. Yet, the realization of this vision calls for bold action, visionary leadership, and a collective commitment to a future that is prosperous, sustainable, and equitable. As we stand at the precipice of tomorrow, peering into the vast expanse of China's future, we are faced with a kaleidoscope of possibilities. Technological breakthroughs, demographic shifts, political reforms, urban transformations. The components of this future are manifold. But one thing stands out: the future of China will be shaped by the collective aspirations, decisions, and actions of its people and leaders. So, continue to join us on this journey through the looking glass as we explore the ever-evolving landscape of China's future here on 5 Min Buzz.